What was that? Hey, don't run. Oh, that Nate.
Man, let me tell you something.
What's that, buddy?
There's something special about those Oreos that have been sitting in the sun for a little bit.
Really? Hey, let me get one of those things, man. You son of a... Huh.
I should have known you were coming on the around trail.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. After I pulled you out. Hey, Shorty. I'm gonna grab some of them Oreos. Yeah, dog. That's what I'm talking about. What? You're so right.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Get your view of them. You can't just do one.
Are they not amazing?
You're fucking badass.
Like they just came out the Oreo factory.
It can handle it. What's that?
I always have to keep an eye on you.
What is that?
You always know the shortcut. I got stuck in there.
Oh my God. Man, this was a good ride.
Good ride. I love it.
Man, I'm glad you came out. It's been a while.
Yeah.
How far of a drive is it for you?
5 hours.
Oh, okay.
What year now?
5.5. What's going on, buddy?
Hey man, you got any sneakers?
I got some back at camp.
Okay, I'm about to grab my own.
Okay, is that you the one I met this morning?
Yeah, that was me.
Right next to Shorty?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sweet, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, we're actually heading back to camp right now.
Cool.
But yeah, just hit me up.
We'll be there later, and if I see you, we'll grab them.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Put on my cooler.
That's what I'm talking about. Hell
Yes,
yeah. Hell yeah. What's going on, bro?
Y'all find a good way through here, or is it just kind of?
We just went straight through. Well, actually, that part's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's
a lot of water.
Yeah. Oh, y'all not snorkeled?
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Not as high as yours, but I mean.
I went. There's a like a little. See where she's standing up there?
Yeah.
There's a little trail that you can just kind of squeeze. If you're on a four wheel, you can squeeze between those trees and get back in there. And then, have y'all been to Pebble Beach yet?
That's where we're trying to get to.
Yeah, it's right back this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that got the rope swing and everything out there. Shit was fun.
Heck yeah.
That shit was real fun.
They asked me about it. Well, I seen the Dilly Dilly, the bike or whatever.
Yeah.
I was like, then I seen this four-wheeler, and I was like, it was familiar. And they asked me about it, and I was like, hey, I watched a bunch of them on YouTube.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I appreciate that.
We love your videos.
Oh, appreciate that.
For years.
Oh, really?
That's my fiance.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
awesome.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, I'm sure because we've been riding for years. I was like, there's one time we're gonna run across it. And we're right next to Noel's buddy. He's
Oh, yeah.
right by us, and our tents right there. We had no idea last night
That's-
that's who it was.
That's
you know?
freaking awesome.
Yeah,
Yo,
Shorty over there.
Yeah. No, I think I'm pretty much right behind you. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
When I pulled in, I seen that sign, I stick it on the Dilly Dilly, and I was like,
Yeah.
I know that. Yeah.
We were here for the bounty course, the first ride. It was open.
The WTF one or?
Yeah.
Oh,
We were
okay.
behind the wash.
Yeah.
And Uncle Pappy was out there, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
Another good YouTuber.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
God dang. That was nice. All
Good seeing you, brother.
right, take care.
Take care.
Nice meeting you too. Take care.
I watch all your damn videos, all your pictures.
Hell yeah, appreciate that. Y'all have fun.
See me pull that can in?
No. See me pull that can in.
What year's your Honda?
2016.
16. We got a 15 right there, the Rebel.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. I see it right there. Sorry, I'm a little colorblind. It took me a second.
The one with the whip right there.
Yeah.
Put that on that bottom little hook.
I'll get this one right here. Whoa, I'm slipping.
Oh,
We're good. We're good. Oh, you got to delete that.
I got you, brother. To be perfectly honest, I didn't pull it up until you started falling. So I only got half of it.
Oh, good. You got the flattering part of it.
Yeah, the flattering part. Well,
Shit.
you know.
I can't stand you sometimes, Shorty. Are we good?
Ready?
All right. It's gonna be a lot of power, buddy. You better hold on. There we go. There it is. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. You want me to do that? You want me to do that climb for you? You sure? You got to be careful. So what you want to do is get your front tires up first, okay? Once you get your front tires up over that edge, then you give it some gas, okay? Yeah, low four-wheel drive.
Hey, make sure you have that four-wheel drive.
Yeah, he does. Ready, Jace? There you go. Yeah, get those tires up first. Get the front tires up. Give it gas. Go. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on 1 second, buddy. Back up a little bit. Right there. Okay, now give it some gas. Go. Oh, what's up, buddy? Good. There it is. Nice. You make money to fly away. That's right. Serenading her. Oh, excuse me. Ah! Perfect. Almost got you. I hit every bit of my brakes I had. Oh. I thought you were gonna need me to pull you up for a second.